that white car back there. We're doing that dash cam next. But first, I'm going to show you how to do it in this car. Honda CR-V. We're going to show you in 3, 2. Behold, the 2019 CR-V. And we already started, as usual, without you. And we're putting in this cam good with a hardwire kit. And we already started with pulling the rubber. Because you always want to put a rubber on first. So there you go. We're going to assess the situation. Moved everything off to the side because we're going to come right down the driver's side because the fuse box is on the driver's side. So let's get started with unpacking. Camera plug. We have to run through here, so we got to take this off first to get our wire ran through. So let's get both hands and get this out of our way. Clip, 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 clip. Now, more pulling. 4 more to match. Clip, 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 clip. And that goes right there, as you just saw. There is little hooks right here to help lock it into place. So, just pulling with these. Now let's get this wire in so we get something through this rubber. Okay, what I like doing is cutting this little. This will give you more room. This little rubber silicone thing, that's what we want to cut. This one doesn't have it, which is good. So it gives us a much straighter way to get through the rubber. With some squeezing and turning and pulling and pushing, we got the zip tie through. You can I use the drill bit the other time. It doesn't really matter. Whatever will get through the rubber. Helpful tip. Take your time and unravel this. Do not fight. It is put together in such a way that it can unravel without getting tangled. Take your time. And it really helps when you straighten out the wire. When you tape it on, make sure you pull so it's nice and tight. Now we rip it off. This is the hard part. I think this is the hardest part of the whole install, getting this through the rubber. So what you do is you squeeze, you pull, you turn, you pull, you pull, you squeeze, you turn, and repeat until it's all the way out. See, we're getting there. That's what you want to do. Pull it back like this as you straighten this out. It relieves all the pressure as you pull through. See, there you go. I think that's the hardest part. Now, let's mount it. With this still taped on, sneak it right through the body. Both ends would be easier. Go through one hole while still attached. Go through the other hole. See it coming through. Let's see it coming through. Oh. Come back over here so there's something snagged. And there you go. Keep going. Got it. And we have a push pin. Let's get him out of our way with a tool as such so we can get the wire ran inside. There you go. See that wire back there, a black one? That's where we're going to go through. Tape it again. Now we go this way. Go into the car. And come out of the car. Or actually in the car again. There you go. Now the hardest part's just about over. Make sure you push these in so they lock into place. There's a little channel right there that locks around here. And you can see the outline. Almost 100% positive the wire goes on the driver's side, and we're going to mount it right there, centered with this little, that center camera is going to be center. But we'll leave it still last. Let's continue on. Throw some tape on that, and we're going to run this wire up toward the front. And what I like is, you always want to start it with something and then go get our third arm. Gotta get this thing, yeah. This is my third arm. Actually my fourth, but the third one I can't show you. So there you go. We're gonna use this to go all the way to the front, but both ends to make it easier. But you see what I'm saying? See how much easier it is? Yeah. Or you could just do it by your hand. Doesn't really matter. Whatever way tucks it into the headliner. See that? we're going to show you what we're talking about. So let's go around and show you the trollers. Now, the trollers would say, you didn't go around the airbag. Now, I'm going to show you where the airbag is. See that airbag up there? Okay, so if you're going to run this wire here, okay, right, how is it going to interfere with the airbag? Please tell me how. Because the airbag is going to come down this way, right in behind. This is more problematic than this. I mean, come on, seriously? And what you do is you go above the airbag. You see how you push all the slack above it? So there you go. What's the problem? Oh, and the rubber just pulls out, by the way. So we just push it right back in. Both hands, please. So, you see? You can't even see the wire. It's above the airbag. Now we put the rubber back. Hey, look, we have company. So with this, we're going to grab our, still taped to the zip tie, get the other rubber out. It's a mean looking spider. Excuse me, sir. How much easy? I'm going to blow him out. Bye. So still using zip tie, we're going to go right behind the B pillar and go right over the seatbelt. And we're going to try to find him on this side. You see? So both hands, please. So again, Mr. Trollers, what do? You're going behind the B pillar. See? Coming right out. There's the airbag. Come on, keep pulling the wire. No, don't make this mistake. See how I went over the rubber? Good job, moron. Now I gotta pull it back. This side of the rubber, on the inside of the car. Hello. There you go. Push it right back in. Done. Same with this. See the airbag sitting there? You're going right above it. Pushing in and pushing the rubber back with the other hand. Can't do it with one hand now. Now, being on the passenger side, we're gonna pull the mirror out. Oh, let's go get our handy dandy third arm. Where is it? Okay, do not break this. This was on the left side, driver side. This will pop out using the third arm. Gotta buy this thing. You go up, turn, and pull down to get this snapped out. Alright, now let's figure out the rest. Okay, so here's what pops in and out. This right here snaps right here. So you're actually pulling it that way. Same with this, that way. And that's how it releases. You can get it, because I just did. You see? You can use this tool, come around here, and pull outward as it unlocks it from here. Now we're back on the driver's side, and we have wire still attached to the zip tie. You just pull on this, and this will unhook, unsnap. Don't have to take it off, because we're just going to run right behind the airbag. That's what we're going to do, right behind it. And we're going to come right into the windshield. Yay! Yay! Now both hands, please. With one wire ran, we're going to tape the other one to it and pull. Now you're going to push back a little bit with both hands and pull with the other, because it's going still behind the airbag. Make sure you clean that right there. And if you actually look, it's actually a good spot for it. So I'm going to keep it as close as possible to here and hang it off of here and run the wires right up under the cover. With camera attached and little cover taken off the screen, let's mount it. See how I keep messing with you? Now I'm back on the passenger side. So we're going to mount it as close as possible to this. So they're actually a little smaller these days, which is good. So we're going to unscrew this to loosen this up. This guy, that's what we're going to do. We came right behind this wire already, and let's plug them in. Let's attach it. Alright, so unfortunately you can't plug it in with this facing the driver's side. You will probably end up breaking this. I tried. It's kind of tight. If you can get it, it's on you, but don't break it. You got to make sure it's plugged in properly. So I came on the passenger side, and what you do is you flip the wire and then you mount it up. And that's how it looks like for me. We're going to go a little tighter with this as we mount it upward. And let's keep going and snap this guy back. So in front of the black and underneath the headliner, you're going to be able to just tuck the wire enough. And you see, I already got through it. Both ends, obviously. You're going to pull this, push this in first, and then you're going to pull it behind the headliner. Can't see it, it's tight, but you can get it. See how it's gone? Good. Got it. Snapped right in, no problems. What I would do, it's up to you, a little zip tie here, maybe a piece of tape. Just keep this wire still. You see? It moves, it swivels, so you want to keep some type of slack to it. And put the easy pass back, and let's keep going back to driver's side. As you pull, it'll tighten up the slack, and you stuff it right into the headliner. Look at that, how easy. And then, done. Let's run it down and hide power, get power. All right, there's a turn lock. You have to turn right there. And that helps alleviate the dash. And then you want to pull. Both hands, please. This already started. So let's get it out of the way. Pull, clip, right here in the corner, right above the USB, or like USB, the OBD, right there. It snaps in. Let's pull this out of the way so this drops, and then we can pull the dash out of our way. Unplug, pushing in the center, unplug, pushing in the center, and pull them right out. Put it in a safe spot. Now let's get the fuse box, which is right there. This tells us what we're doing, so let's see what we're gonna get. So funny enough, they call it accessory socket, and I have it on there. It's the fourth fuse in, and it is not accessory. It is definitely hot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the power window. That's what we're gonna do. That turns on and off with the car. Maybe accessory. Let's see what this does. This rests at ground, but this is 10 amp. The power window, which only used when needed, is a 20 amp. This one. So it's the middle one in the last row. I would do that one, is the power window, because you only use it sporadically. This one is only a 10 amp, and this is only a 5 amp. So we're going to do that. We're going to do the power window, and we're going to do accessory socket with both 20 amperes. Gently put all 3 wires back behind the 8-pillar and push the rubber back. Got it? Good. Now, here's our ground. We've already found power. There's your ground. So loosen this up for your ground. And we're going to come right around. You can probably take this off to run the wires back behind. Let's do that so I can zip tie it right there. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take these 2 screws out. Get this panel out of our way. Look at that. Another clip right here, and the whole panel gives us this big, huge hole to run stuff through. Nice. There we go. Then we're going to put one nice zip tie right here and get our fuses and hide the rest of the wires. So that little corner piece, you want to stuff it behind that 8-pillar. And there you go. Pop it right back in. You're going to line push this little, put the 2 screws back, and look how much nicer it looks. So there you have it. Let's get our fuses. With the appropriate fuse holder, we're going to plug it in so it looks like that. Got it? Good. Now, one zip tie, we're going to call it a day. But let's start this guy up. Ooh, let's see what we got going on. Ooh, it works, yeah. So there you have it. One zip tie, put the dash back. We're gonna call it a day. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.